Up to this point, we've had a few opportunities to see how you can control the text wrapping properties of a selected image or graphic using the Wrap Text button available from the Picture Tools Format Contextual ribbon when a picture is selected, or the Drawing Tools Format Contextual ribbon when a drawing object has been selected. Using the Wrap Text menu, we could once again dictate how the text is wrapped around the particular image or graphic we've selected using various choices from the menu provided. What I'd like to take a moment though to show you in this lesson is how you can also determine where within the page you want to position the graphic. Here, for example, I can choose to apply a square text wrapping option while also choosing where within this page I would like to have the graphic positioned, such as the middle right, direct middle, or middle left of the document page. So as opposed to tying the location of the graphic to a particular piece of text based on where your insertion point is, this will simply determine the middle, top, or bottommost portions of the document's page from left to center to right, and then automatically position the graphic in that particular area of the document. Here, for example, I've chosen the option of dead center so that the picture appears both centered horizontally as well as vertically within my document's page. And finally, I just want to take a quick moment to remind you that throughout these previous lessons, though we've had an opportunity to see many different ways in which we can format or modify our pictures or drawing shapes, not every single one of the options you might utilize when formatting your graphics in a document appear within the Format tabs of your ribbons. In other words, should you ever click the arrows located in the lower right corners of the groups available to you on your Picture Tools and Drawing Tools formatting ribbons, you'll find many other options available to you for formatting that picture, or in this case, formatting the drawing shape that I have selected in the current document. Here, for example, you'll find several different categories located in this window, which contain all of the commands currently present on the ribbon, as well as many more commands that you would not find available on any one of the ribbons located at the top of your screen. From the Fill menu, for example, we'll have several additional choices for how we might wish to apply gradient background colors, allowing me to choose from various preset colors, or to choose my own options for setting the gradient, such as direction, color, as well as brightness and transparency. Here, for example, I'll take a moment to change the direction of the light blue, dark blue gradient that's been applied to the drawing shape of the arrow currently selected in this document. And for this example, I'm going to choose the option here labeled Linear Diagonal. I could even choose to blend the shades of colors differently from the default shading applied already by the gradients, as well as add or change color stops within the gradient color bar. For example, if I select the second color stop currently being applied to this graphic, that of a light shade of blue, and then change the color to a shade of, let's say, orange, you can see now in the graphic where the color originally blended to that point consisted of a light blue, now consists of a shade of orange. And also note that as I drag the second stop of 4, the one now assigned to the orange color, towards the right, you can see within the graphic itself how the color would be blended differently along with the other colors that have been established as color stops for this particular gradient. So in the event you need a little bit more control over the gradient color schemes applied to your graphics, you'll find many more choices available to you here while working out of the Format Shape window, with the Fill category of options selected on the left. And again, my point being that there are several additional options available to you in this Format Shape window that you might not actually find available to you from your ribbon. And when the shape contains text, you'll find even more options available to you for controlling the text within the shape, using the text box options available in the same window. When you've practiced to your satisfaction, you can click on the video to continue.